What if I told you there's a simple technique you can do for just 30 seconds before you sleep that can dramatically improve your life and your dreams? This method isn't about a long, complicated routine. It's something quick, easy, and incredibly effective for tapping into your subconscious mind. Ready to unlock the power of your mind while you sleep? Let's look into this secret sleep technique that can change everything for you. The subconscious mind is a powerful force. It's responsible for storing your beliefs, habits, and the foundation of your reality. Everything you think and feel is processed by the subconscious, which then influences your actions and decisions. The key to using the subconscious mind effectively is to program it right before sleep, when your mind is most receptive to suggestion. When you focus on positive thoughts, affirmations, or intentions before drifting off, you set the tone for the entire night. The subconscious mind absorbs these messages more easily when you're relaxed, making them more likely to influence your thoughts, actions, and even your dreams. By dedicating just 30 seconds before sleep to aligning your mind with your desires, you're essentially laying the groundwork for your goals to manifest. This technique is simple but incredibly powerful when practiced consistently. You can harness the potential of your subconscious mind to create lasting change, whether it's attracting wealth, improving health, or manifesting success, all by focusing on these few seconds before you sleep. Before falling asleep, take a moment to think about what you want to achieve. Whether it's a goal, an outcome, or a personal transformation, setting a clear intention helps direct the energy of your mind. By stating what you want to manifest or how you want to feel, you create a specific focus for your subconscious to work on while you rest. This 30-second practice doesn't require complex rituals. It's simply about directing your thoughts in a positive, constructive way. You might say, I am open to abundance, or I am achieving my goals with ease. These words activate a deep belief in your ability to succeed, which your subconscious will carry with you into your dreams. Focusing on one clear intention ensures that your mind isn't scattered. It gives you a sense of clarity and purpose and allows the universe to align with your desires while you sleep. With repetition, your subconscious begins to align with your conscious thoughts, helping you to create the reality you desire. This brief practice might seem small, but it's one of the most effective ways to send your desires into the universe right before you enter the subconscious state of deep sleep. To maximize the power of this 30-second technique, it's essential to relax both your mind and body. The more relaxed you are, the more open your subconscious mind will be to the intentions you set. Find a comfortable position in your bed, close your eyes, and take deep, calming breaths to release the tension of the day. Clearing your mind of stress, worries, and negative thoughts is key to unlocking the full potential of this technique. As you inhale and exhale deeply, visualize the stress leaving your body, allowing you to enter a peaceful and receptive state of mind. The more relaxed you are, the better your subconscious mind will be able to absorb your intentions and desires. This is why it's so important to take a few moments to focus on your breath, center yourself, and enter a state of calm before stating your affirmation. This brief but effective relaxation practice enhances the power of your affirmations, ensuring they are deeply embedded in your subconscious mind for maximum effect. While you're relaxed and focused, add a layer of visualization to your practice. Picture yourself already living the life you desire. See your goals coming to fruition, whether it's wealth, health, or happiness. Visualizing success while you repeat your affirmations makes the process even more powerful. When you see yourself already achieving your desired outcome, your subconscious mind begins to believe it's a reality. It creates neural pathways that support your dreams and goals, allowing you to feel the emotions associated with success. This makes your affirmation even stronger. Visualization is key in transforming abstract desires into concrete realities. Imagine the feeling of financial freedom, happiness, or success, and let those emotions guide you into a peaceful sleep. This powerful combination of intention setting, relaxation, and visualization amplifies your ability to manifest your desires. By practicing this technique every night, you'll find that your subconscious mind becomes more aligned with your goals, turning your dreams into reality. While it may seem mystical, there is a scientific basis for this technique. When we sleep, our brains move through various stages, including deep REM sleep, where the subconscious mind is most active. This is the ideal time for the mind to process and absorb information without interference from the conscious mind. By repeating your affirmations and visualizing success right before you sleep, you plant these seeds in your subconscious. This has been shown to help in the process of neural rewiring, where your mind begins to believe that your goals are not only possible but inevitable. Additionally, when you focus your mind on positive intentions before sleep, you activate the brain's reticular activating system, RAS, which filters out distractions and helps you notice opportunities that align with your goals in waking. This combination of neuroscience and manifestation is why this 30-second technique is so effective. Your brain is literally primed to work on your goals while you sleep. Sometimes doubts and negative thoughts can creep in, especially when we try to manifest something big. It's essential to counteract these negative thoughts with the technique we've discussed. The law of attraction works when you believe in the possibility of your desires, so it's crucial to eliminate any doubts right before sleep. If you catch yourself thinking this will never happen, quickly reframe it with a positive affirmation like, "I am worthy of my dreams," or "My desires are coming to me now." By repeating this every night, you train your subconscious mind to reject negative thought patterns. Also, let go of the need to control how your desires come to fruition. Trust that the universe will bring you what you need when you need it. Doubts only create resistance, so releasing them is essential to the manifestation process. The more consistent you are in replacing negative thoughts with positive affirmations, the quicker you'll reprogram your subconscious mind, making success inevitable. Manifestation is not an overnight process. It's important to stay patient and trust that your intentions are working, even if you don't see immediate results. When you set your intentions before sleep, trust that your subconscious mind is working on your behalf, aligning the universe with your desires. It can be tempting to constantly check for results or wonder when things will happen, but the best thing you can do is let go and trust the process. The law of attraction works when you remain open and patient, knowing that what you desire is on its way. Trusting the process allows you to stay in a state of calm, which in turn makes it easier for the universe to deliver your desires. Patience is a key part of manifesting your dreams, so continue with this technique every night, knowing that you are making progress, even if it's invisible for now. With each night, your subconscious mind gets more aligned with your goals, and in time, you'll see the results of your persistence and trust. Consistency is crucial when using this technique. The more often you do it, the stronger the connection between your conscious and subconscious mind becomes. Manifestation is about repetition. When you regularly set your intentions before sleep, your subconscious starts to believe that what you desire is already happening. By making this technique a part of your nightly routine, you begin to rewire your mind for success. The more consistent you are, the more easily you'll start seeing the universe respond to your desires. Consistency also helps to build momentum. As you keep practicing each night, you'll notice subtle shifts in your life, leading you closer to your goals. The longer you maintain the habit, the more ingrained these positive affirmations and visualizations become in your subconscious. Stick with this technique every night, and soon you'll begin to notice how effortlessly the universe aligns with your desires. This 30-second technique before sleep is simple yet incredibly powerful. By focusing your mind, setting clear intentions, and trusting the process, you align yourself with your desires and allow the universe to bring them to fruition. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like and subscribe and let me know how this technique works for you. Trust in the process, stay consistent, and watch your dreams manifest.